Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore email sequences with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab located in the main dashboard. In the Campaigns section, look for the Email Templates option on the left sidebar. Click on Email Templates to access all your saved templates. Locate the sequence you want to restore in the list of email templates. If you can't find it, use the search bar at the top to enter the name of the sequence. Once you find your desired sequence, click on its title to open the template. Review the template to ensure it meets your needs and makes necessary adjustments. Next, click on the Create Campaign button in the Campaigns section. Select Email from the options provided. Choose Automated to create a sequence campaign. From the options available, select Custom for a tailored approach. On the Automation Setup page, pick your restored sequence template from the saved options. Give your campaign a name that identifies the purpose of the sequence. Now, define the trigger settings for your email sequence. Choose triggers and set the conditions under which your emails will be sent. Review the sequence timeline to determine the send intervals for each email. Make sure you configure the target audience for your email sequence. Select the appropriate audience list from the drop-down menu. After adjusting your audience settings, preview your sequence to ensure everything looks correct. Double-check all emails in the sequence for formatting and content issues. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click on the Start Sending button. Confirm your settings in the prompt that appears. Finally, monitor the results and performance of your restored email sequence through the Analytics dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.